modern precast concrete production, space is a valuable resource. That's why vertical production in battery molds offers a compact and highly efficient alternative to traditional horizontal systems like tilting tables or pallet circulation lines. With RATEC's battery mold technology, up to 20 elements can be cast in a single cycle, significantly increasing productivity. The vertical casting process delivers smooth form-finish surfaces on 5 sides. And with our Upcrete technology, even on all 6. Structured surfaces on both sides. No problem. Simply integrate form liners into the process. Thanks to vertical demolding, elements can be lifted directly without tilting, minimizing handling and reducing the risk of damage. Every RATEC battery mold is engineered for longevity and versatility. Unlike conventional systems, our molds are designed to be pumped from below and can still be conventionally filled from the top when needed. From pocket configuration to integration into existing workflows, every battery mold is customized to meet the demands and specifications of our customers. With future expansions and automation in mind, RATEC battery molds, engineered for performance, designed for precision.